Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
It is Kimakia, and we're back with another hair video. We are back with another half wig, and this one is going to be my favorite. So as you guys know, I'm going to be doing my edges. Then I'm going to prep the hair because it's going to be just like just a basic half wig install. This is literally the easiest wig install ever. So sit back and enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later in the next video. See, I don't know about you guys, but this is the best and the easiest way to install. This is a half wig. It is giving. Like, I love this hair so much. And even though it's pretty old, I would say like I've had this for probably over a month. The hair is still giving. I love that big, curly. I just love the big hair. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video.